So thank you all. We're gathered here today to honor Ginny McAlister. Ginny McAlister was a Frontier student. She was here for midwifery, and she started here in about 2011. In 2012, unfortunately, Ginny was diagnosed with cancer that was very rare and very fast growing. She went through surgeries, chemotherapy, radiation, and a multitude of other treatments that forced her to cope with lots of side effects while she was a student and while she excelled as a student. She continued through all of this during her time at Frontier, and she was mere hours away from finishing her degree when she passed away. Her one dying wish was to be able to be a midwife, and fortunately we were able to do that for her. During the time that she was in clinical, Megan McGraw, who's here on my right, was lucky enough to be a nurse on that unit and got to see her in action, and has nothing but wonderful things to say about Ginny as a midwife, as a student midwife, and really as a midwife. So she passed away on February 8th, which is today, so we're here to honor her. And I think we need to remember a couple of things about Ginny. Is number one, she was very determined, and she wanted to make sure that people saw that she was determined, and really that her children realized how determined she was and how important it is to be determined. She loved midwifery, there's no doubt about that. And I think we have to think about an example that she was set for all of us, that in our hearts, that if there's something that we want to do, we need to be determined and to stay on it till it's done. So today we're going to ring the bell in her memory, and to remind us to hold close that which is important to each of us. So we're all going to ring the bell. So we're going to walk up and ring the bell. It's a tradition here at Frontier, and we're going to do this to send Ginny's spirit lots of love and show her that her work is still happening. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. This is for you, Ginny. Thank you.